and welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm guiding you through how to log into Pinterest account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Pinterest, go to your Pinterest application from your app list and tap it open. This is the very first interface of Pinterest. In order to log in, enter your email address, or you can continue logging in with your Facebook or your Google account. In order to do so, simply tap it on and follow the instructions. In order to sign in with your email, type in your email first and tap on Continue. Next, enter your password. In case you forgot your password, tap on Forgotten Password and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you want to double check your password, then tap on the eye icon at the right corner of the password field. After entering the credentials, tap on Login button and you'll be logged into your Pinterest account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.